Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
The resort world of Viridia was once a jewel in the Dominion's crown. Today, that jewel has cracked, metaphorically, and by lava.
SCV ready.
The planet's only hope? 2 commanders, whose workers must refuel the stabilizer. Let's join the mission already in progress.
SCV
What's
ready.
that rumbling? 4,000 degrees of molten death. Surging every few minutes, the lava is truly a force of nature. And it looks like the lava is already rising. Let's watch as the commanders below take refuge upon higher ground.
SCV ready.
Activating a drone. This should hook us up with some extra gas.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
Bad news. Huh?
Looks like the receding lava has left behind crystals. For Viridia's sake, let's hope the workers gather those quickly.
What's going on?
The first crystal has been turned in, putting a little more time on what I'm calling the countdown to destruction.
Ben, SCV ready.
This report from Terry, our seismologist, who says seismic activity is increasing. That means lava, and it's coming soon. I'm getting a report that the lava is surging right now. Let's switch to Lava Can 6.
Oh, just peachy. Got a wave of enemies gunning for us. Go, go, go!
Upgrade complete.
Gateway, coming up. Orders received. You gonna get...
Add-on complete.
Looks like the lava has fully receded. Can the commander's workers make up for the lost time? We're 4 minutes away from the planet's destruction. Keep watching UNN for constant coverage.
Here. Got it. Nova here.
Who wants some? Orders received.
Status report. En route. I'll make it happen. On the move. Executing.
Add-on complete.
Consider it done. Got it. Acknowledged. Setting up a sabotage drone. Loud and clear. Strictly business. En route. Consider it done. Loud and clear. Enemy sighted. I'll make it happen.
Upgrade complete.
Nova here. On the move. Executing. Got it. Status report.
Enemies approaching fast. Man, they look mad.
The telltale rumbling has begun. I expect we'll be seeing a lava surge soon, and a big one. I've just gotten an update. The lava is here.
Sufficient Vespine
Ready
gas.
to roll out.
Armed and ready.
I'm reading you. I'll make it happen. Initiating assault. Defensive drone initiated. Got it. En route. Strictly business. Loud and clear. Initiating assault. I'll make it happen.
We're hearing that the lava is receding, and the race to reactivate the stabilizer is back on.
Acknowledge.
Our allies are being attacked.
Are enemy forces about to attack the commander's workers? Stay tuned to find out. UNN seismologist Terry estimates the planet has 4 minutes remaining. Let's see if you're right, Terry.
Strictly business. This calls for a little sabotage. Got it.
Ah! You scared me!
I'm reading you. Loud and clear. Consider
Our allies are being attacked.
sabotaging the enemy. Got a nuke primed for launch. I'll make it happen. En route.
This just in. The environmental stabilizer is at 25% and holding. Still a long way to go.
Move it!
Nova here. En route. Might want to stand back.
Ah! Go ahead. Roger. You're the boss. Yep. Yeah. Yes, sir. We'll butter my biscuit.
Got an enemy attack inbound on our base, buddy.
Ready to roll out.
Executing. This calls for a little sabotage.
Go ahead. What? Need some? What's up?
A jolt of seismic activity rocks the surface of Viridia Prime. The lava won't be too far behind. Word is the lava is hitting now. Let's go live to the planetary feed.
Execute. Sabotage in progress. On route. I'll make it happen. Confirm that last.
A molten salamander has emerged from the lava. Conservationists say they're endangered. But who's in danger now?
We've got an enemy attack en route to our base.
The lava surge is ending, viewers. But stay with us. I'm sure there's a lot more excitement to come.
Got a new plan for launch.
Upgrade complete.
Ready to raise some hell.
Upgrade complete.
SCV ready. Need something blown up? Talk to me. In the rear with... I hear you. You're the boss.
Our allies are being attacked.
Seems like we could use a defensive drone.
Will do. Your dime.
Upgrade complete.
Got it.
Ah! You scared me! Yo. Yeah. SCV ready. Sure thing.
Another increase in seismic activity. A lava surge is coming. Will this finally be the big one? The lava surge is back, viewers. Let's watch as the low ground is engulfed in molten rock and fire.
Status. Acknowledged. Everyone in the ship! Go!
The salamander has resurfaced. I normally don't editorialize, but that thing looks angry. The commanders need to be careful. Spouts of magma can reach into the upper stratosphere, even taking out spacecraft. As quickly as it surges, the lava recedes. Now it's up to the workers to reach those new crystal formations in time.
Engine screaming.
4 minutes until Viridia's cataclysmic end. They can't hear me, but I'm sure the commanders know the pressure is on.
We hear you. Gotcha.
Status report. On the move.
Big job, huh?
Say again?
Enemies coming for our base. Thought you might want to know.
Butter my biscuit. Uh-huh. Gotcha. Yeah. I'm going. Roger.
Status report. Executing.
Ah! You scared me!
Are being attacked.
The stabilizer has reached the halfway point, but it's still too early for celebration.
Got it.
Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies are being attacked.
Ah! You scared? SCV ready.
Say again? Sabotage nuclear
Our allies'
warhead
base
armed and
is
ready.
under attack.
SCV ready.
On the move. Advancing on.
SCV ready.
Consider it done.
Our seismologist believes the coming lava surge is breaching the mantle. Terry, this is boring science stuff. I'm not reading this. Here's the lava. Watch the low ground, viewers. That's where the action is.
SCV ready.
Sabotage in progress.
Flames spread as the molten salamander resurfaces. Will the Dominion's allies intervene, or leave this creature unchecked?
Got it. Opening fire. Executing. Acknowledged.
Big SCV ready. In the rear with the gate.
The lava has receded once more, leaving both crystals and destruction in its wake.
SCV
Got some
ready.
bad guys coming after our base.
SCV ready. Bad news. SCV ready. SCV ready.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Got it.
We're still waiting for workers to collect a crystal and bring it to the stabilizer. Hopefully things pick up soon.
Will do. Yep. Roger. Yep. Yo. Yes, sir. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Move it. You're the boss. Sure thing. It's your dime.
4 minutes until Viridia's cataclysmic end. They can't hear me, but I'm sure the commanders know the pressure is on.
Woo-hoo! Overtime. Yeah, whatever.
Liberation is at hand.
Upgrade complete.
More lava? Coming soon? I don't believe you. Admit it. You're desperate for attention, Terry. The lava has arrived once more, and UNN's film crew is on the scene.
Reporting for action. Commander.
It looks like the salamander has resurfaced. If the commanders are going to do something, now just might be the time.
Executing. Consider it done. Strictly business. Loud and clear. Got it. On the move.
It looks like the surge is over. For now. But when the burning tides rise again, we'll be there.
Go ahead.
Our allies are being attacked.
Executing.
Our SCVs are under attack.
SCV ready.
Upgrade. Our allies' base is under attack. Our allies are being attacked.
The commander's orders should collect the crystals and bring them to the stabilizer soon. We'll be here when they begin.
Yeah, whatever.
Confirm that last.
What's going on?
I'm reading you.
SCV ready.
Terminating. Initiating assault.
Huh? Sure thing.
Status report. Executing. Considering.
SCV ready.
Acknowledged.
Our allies
Everyone in the
are
ship!
being
Go,
attacked.
go, go! Sometimes you just have to nuke it from orbit.
SCV ready.
I'm reading you. Got it.
We're 4
allies
minutes
are
away from the planet's destruction. Keep watching UNN for constant coverage.
Roger. It's your dime. Yo. I'm going. Yep. Roger. Sure thing.
Status report.
What's going on? You're the boss.
Our allies are being attacked.
Well, butter my biscuit. Yeah. Yo. Ready to roll out.
Our allies are being attacked.
Cloak unit
Our allies'
spotted.
base is
We're
under
gonna need
attack.
some detection.
Yo.
Another quake. Another lava surge coming soon. Trust Donnie Vermillion to get you the updates you need. Another lava surge has come. We'll have more after this short message from our sponsor. Only 25% remains till the stabilizer is charged. But is there enough time left?
Liberation is at hand.
Flames spread as the molten salamander resurfaces. Will the Dominion's allies intervene? Or leave this creature unchecked? It looks like that surge is finally over with. Let's watch the commanders get back to work.
Sabotage in progress.
Upgrade complete.
Got a nuke primed for launch. Liberation is at hand.
Go ahead. SCV ready. I'm going.
Confirm that last. Loud and clear.
Bad news. SCV ready. Go ahead. Ah! You scared me. Will do. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. SCV ready. Yo. We hear you.
Confirm that last.
UNN seismologist Terry estimates the planet has 4 minutes remaining. Let's see if you're right, Terry.
Well, butter my biscuit. Yeah. SCV ready.
Our allies are being attacked.
That earthquake only signals one thing. Another lava surge is coming soon.
SCV ready.
Another lava surge is here. Evacuation of the low ground had better be underway.
This calls for a little sabotage.
The salamander has resurfaced. I normally don't editorialize, but that thing looks angry.
Consider it done. Sabotaging the enemy. I'm reading you. Loud and clear. I'll make it happen.
I like to think the lava moves the crystals around. Terry says that's unscientific. Don't listen to Terry.
En route.
Our allies' base are being attacked.
We hear you. Roger. You're the boss.
Confirm that.
What's that? In the rear with the gear. Let's go! What's going on? It's your dime.
Terry, the counter shows 2 minutes left. Should we be getting out of orbit? We're fine. Okay, good.
Status.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Eyes up. Our ride's here. Nova here. Say again?
Our seismologist believes the coming lava surge is breaching the mantle. Terry, this is boring science stuff. I'm not reading this. The lava surge is back, viewers. Let's watch as the low ground is engulfed in molten rock and fire. We're 4 minutes away from the planet's destruction. Keep watching UNN for constant coverage.
Bad news? Yes, sir. Move it.
Raven.
SCV ready. Yep.
I like to think the lava moves the crystals around. Terry says that's unscientific. Don't listen to Terry.
Nova here. I'll make it happen. En route. Execute.
SCV ready.
Our allies' base is
The
under
timetable
attack.
says workers should be collecting crystals by now. Makes you wonder, did Valerian choose the wrong allies?
SCV ready. We hear you.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Biscuit. You're the boss. Sure thing. Move it.
Our allies are being attacked.
A jolt of seismic activity rocks the surface of Viridia Prime. The lava won't be too far behind.
We hear you.
I'm getting a report that the lava is surging right now. Let's switch to Lava Cam 6.
Gotcha.
2 minutes left. The air in the studio is so thick. I can barely speak. But I will. For you.
Bad news? Uh-huh. Yeah. Well, butter my biscuit. Yes, sir.
It looks like the surge is over. For now. But when the burning tides rise again, we'll be there.
Woohoo! Overtime. Gotcha.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Say again? I'll make it happen. Everyone in the ship! Go, go, go! Status report.
Our allies are being attacked.
En route. I'll make it.
Our allies are
4 minutes until Viridia's cataclysmic end. Well, they can't hear me, but I'm sure the commanders know the pressure is on.
Hear you. It's your dime. Woo-hoo!
Our allies are being attacked.
I'll make it happen.
More lava? Coming soon? I don't believe you. Admit it. You're desperate for attention, Terry.
Execute.
Our allies.
Another lava surge is here. Evacuation of the low ground had better be underway.
Confirm that last.
What's going on? Yep.
It looks like the salamander has resurfaced. If the commanders are going to do something, now just might be the time.
Boss.
Our allies are being attacked.
Ah! You scared me! Bad news? We hear you.
Looks like the lava has fully receded. Can the commander's workers make up for the lost time?
Sir! Move it! Gotcha.
You never doubted us, even when it got real bad. You know the part. Yeah? I know you were doubting a little bit. You were doubting.